This video shows you how to update the firmware for Lenovo ThinkSystem RAID adapters using the UEFI interface on a local system. Download the firmware package that matches your operating system. Run the downloaded executable file, select Extract, and then choose a USB device to unzip the archive. Insert the USB drive into the server and power on the system. When prompted, press F1 to enter System Setup. Select System Settings. Select Storage. Choose the RAID adapter to be updated. Select Update Firmware. Set Select File System to the connected USB drive. Under Select Directory, browse to the folder where the firmware file is stored. In the Select Image field, choose the firmware ROM file. Select Update and press Enter. A summary screen will show the current firmware version and the version to be installed. Confirm the update and selecting Yes. The firmware update process will now begin and typically takes less than 30 seconds. Once complete, a confirmation screen will appear. Restart the server to apply the changes.